Hi guys, today I want to talk about volume, how to adjust your volume and how to drop in some fades. Okay, so as a refresher, V1 is your video, what you see, and then all of my A tracks are my audio, what I hear. So on my A1 track, it's me talking paired with what you see. Oftentimes it's me in the Zoom. I just grabbed a bunch of stuff and put it together. And then down below on my A2 track, I have some music that I wanted to have in the background. So when I am listening to something and the volume isn't right, I need to make some adjustments. So let's take a listen. That is way too loud. Okay, so when I go to edit, I like to go into a different screen when I'm looking at volume to make it a little bit easier. So what I do is I go to the upper left-hand corner of my keyboard and there is a tilde sign. It's below the escape button on mine. It looks like an accent sign that you see in Spanish. And so I'm going to hit that. And now I can zoom in on my tracks. And so these little dots along the side, you see that I'm touching, I can scroll, or if I grab a dot, I can zoom in. And if I want to make this part bigger, I grab here and go like that. Okay, so this green track down here, the audio 2, is my music, and it's way too loud. This white line right here is the actual volume. And so what I want to do is I want to drop this volume down. So now I'm lowering the volume. If I want to raise the volume, I raise it up. So let's listen to the difference. Much better. But you know what I want to do? I want to add a fade in. So I have the volume where I want, but I want it to like start soft and get a little bit louder. So I'm going to hit that tilde button again so I can get out of this screen and go back to my other one. And now I'm back. Okay, so I want to take a peek at what's going on here. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, so at the beginning, here's my music. I want to drop a fade in right at the beginning. So what you're going to do is you're going to look up here along the top. We have learning, assembly, editing, color, effects. I'm going to click effects, and it's going to open up a panel over here. And I've already opened it before. And so what I'm looking for is I'm looking for audio transitions. It's right here. I click the arrow and open it up, and I can see more. I'm looking for a crossfade, and I'm looking for the exponential fade. So what I do is I click, hold it down, and I drag and drop this at the start of the clip that I want the fade on. So I'm going to put it right here. So this is actually the start of my sound. Now you can only drop an exponential fade at the start or the end of a clip. You can't put it in the middle. It won't even let you. And so now let's listen to what it sounds like. Let me delete that other clip. Let's do it again. Did you hear? So it had a nice fade. And so you can adjust it if you want that fade to be longer. You hover over the edge and then you can pull it out and you can make it fade even more. So that's what you can do to add a fade in or a fade out in a quick and easy way to adjust the volume. Remember, hit the tilde so you can get a better view. Expand it open, find your volume, drop it, or raise it. Hope that helps.